Thank you for joining us for a Homework Solutions tutorial video. Today, we are going to go through how to find topics for reference from our blogs and Knowledge Center. You can do this by starting on our home page. There are then options to determine what you want to search. If you already know your keyword, you can go to the search functionality here and type that in. Let's search for articles that have to do with W-2s. You'll see now that various articles are displayed that have the keyword W-2 in them, both in English and Spanish, as this will pull from our complete Knowledge Center and blog topics. Find the article you're looking for and click on the heading. If you don't see what you're looking for, there are other options. You can go back to the top of the page, go to the Resources tab, to Knowledge Center, and then choose your language of choice. My first language is English, so I'll click that. You are now in our main Knowledge Center. You can go down to find various topics that have been curated for different types of employers and household employees. I want to know more about nanny employers, so I'll click here. Again, you have the ability to keyword search here, and where we originally searched, here. However, you can scroll down through articles if you're not quite sure what you're looking for to determine what you wish to read. Today I want to read about being a household employer. Am I considered a household employer? Let's find out. You'll see that this brings up an article that goes over the basics of whether or not someone employing someone in their home will be considered a household employer in the eyes of the law. You'll see that sometimes we have external sources, such as Publication 926, which is an IRS publication. You will also see that we have links to click through to other articles. We also have graphics, images, and videos. You may also see a call to action at the bottom of an article asking you if you would like someone to reach out to contact you about this topic, as some people do prefer human contact as opposed to continuing to read through the blog center or knowledge center. Thank you so much for joining us today. If we can be of additional help, please do reach out. 1-800-626-4829.